Hi there, if you want to have good conversation in English language, if you really don't know how to have good conversation in English, you will be kicked from everywhere. So before jumping into this video, I want to let you know something. As I have brought simple 5 steps, if you follow, you will become confident English speaker. Nobody can stop you. In that way, you will have conversation. So before ending 2025, let us make remarkable this year so that everybody consider, yeah, you are a good speaker. You are a born speaker. So before jumping into this video, I want you to watch this video till end now so that you can master your English language. Now just I'm going to tell you the first step. Now the first one is that you might be thinking, from where should I start? What should I do first? You should start from the first one is that try to open your tongue. Yes. You might be thinking, how can I open my tongue? Yes, start from imperative sentence. If you really want to master the English language, if you are a beginner, you don't know how to speak a single word, start from imperative sentence. In imperative sentence, there is no need to action. There is no need to doer. So you can start from imperative sentence. Like that, if you want to say, खा लीजिए, you can say, have it. पानी दे दीजिए, give me water. Yeah, can I get a water? Like this. So you have to start from imperative sentence. When you became habitual of imperative sentence, you can start from everywhere. So start from imperative sentence. Try to open your tongue first. Now second one is that my teacher used to say, Mubarak, be the good listener. If you are not a good listener, you won't master any kind of language. So first, be the good listener. On YouTube, there are lots of videos, there are lots of content in English language. You can listen. Yeah, I know that you can't understand, but at least follow 1 month, and after 1 month, you will see a remarkable result in your life. So, be a good listener. Now, the third one is that don't go through Hindi. Yeah, think in English. If you really want to build up your English language, if you really want to speak fluently and confidently, so think in English. Don't translate it. Don't cram the sentences. Don't mug up the sentences. If you cram the sentences, you wouldn't become confident English speaker. So try to speak directly. Don't try to speak by translating method. Understood? Now the fourth one is that expand your vocabulary. It plays an important role in your speaking. So expand your vocabulary. You might be thinking, from where I can get vocabulary? On YouTube there are lots of tutors. You can follow one of them, and after that expand your vocabulary as much as possible. Now fifth one is that keep practicing unless you speak. You know, practice makes man perfect. So do practice as much as possible. Record yourself. Go in front of mirror and talk to yourself. So do practice as much as possible. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I'll meet another session. Bye bye everyone, and stay tuned for another video.